Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing great. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to collaborate in Figma step by step. Figma makes teamwork easy by allowing you to share your designs, invite team members, and work together in real time. This tutorial is perfect for beginners, so let's get started. First, I'll open my Figma design file. Now, I'll click the share button in the top right corner of the screen. Next, I'll enter the email address of the person I want to collaborate with. After that, I'll choose the permission level. I can select Can View if I only want them to view the design, or Can Edit if I want them to make changes. Now I'll click the Invite button to send the invitation. Once the invitation is sent, my team member will be able to open the file and collaborate with me in real time. This makes it easy to share ideas, edit designs together, and complete projects much faster. That's it. We've successfully learned how to collaborate in Figma. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more Figma tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.